YouTube. Thank you for joining me for another vlog. Thank you so much for all the support that you have done in the past 48 hours supporting me with my new channel. I really appreciate that. I received a lot of comments from friends, pushing me to keep going and commenting on the video that I provided and knowledge that I dropped. Thank you so much. If you're new to this channel, my name is Meet Bart. I'm going to talk about, real estate, cars, dropping knowledge, the knowledge that I was not able to receive when I started my journey to financial freedom. So please subscribe. I want to talk about the book that changed my life. So without further ado, today I'm going to talk about the book that changed my life, and that book is called Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book, I don't even know where to start. This book talks about, advocate about financial independence, investing in real estate, investing in assets that are, product that brings money into your pocket on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, how to start your own business, and how to chase financial independence, financial freedom, but most importantly, financial intelligence. With no financial intelligence, you're not going to be able to manage your money. How many people have seen superstars like basketball players, soccer, who made so much money, and in less than 5-10 years they all go broke? That's first start with financial intelligence. If you don't know how to manage your money, how to direct your money, then money doesn't belong in your pocket. Maybe you should give it to me. This is the importance of financial independence and financial intelligence. So I really want to share with you my journey after I read this book. So honestly, I'm not a big fan of reading books because I'm always on the move, but I found this application called Audible by Amazon, and anytime I'm in the car or I'm traveling on a business trip, I'm always, with my phone, the app on, my headphones, and I'm always listening to, something that I can educate myself. Just if it's just a matter of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or listen to a whole book, as long as I'm training my brain, I'm learning new things. Because what nowadays people do is just get something, they're successful at something, and they stop learning, they start improving, and that's when you stay there, you don't get to the next level. So I'm going to share with you this book, how this book changed my life. If I have to summarize the book in 3 sentences, so Rich Dad Poor Dad, sorry, I'm looking at my notes, so I'm going to be up and down. So Rich Dad Poor Dad is about Robert Kiyosaki and his 2 dads, his real father, poor dad, and the father of his best friend, Rich Dad, and the way in which both men shape his thoughts about money investing. I don't need to earn a high income to be rich. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people subscribing to the channel can share that you don't need to be a high income earner to be able to be rich. I follow some other people on Facebook and on YouTube where they were making less than $100,000 a year, but they were very disciplined, learning, educating themselves, where they were able to retire millionaires and having wealth generated for their family. In this book, he talks about rich people make money work for them, and that's the focus of this channel. I want to be able to share information that if you go to sleep, money needs to be working for you. You need to find a way to make money while you're sleeping. Okay? That's the goal. I don't know if you heard that from Warren Buffett, but Warren say, if you don't know how to make money while you're sleeping, you're always going to be a slave to money. Always going to be a slave to money. So you need to find a way to make money work. And the best way to do that is to start educating yourself. Reading books, reading about people who were already successful, reverse engineer to know how they made it. Some people say, oh yeah, they were born into rich families. Somebody they were privileged. I know so many people who were so privileged, born in rich families, they know how to tap into their wealth and into their resources. And now they're working at McDonald's. I'm not saying that working for McDonald's is a bad thing. Another way for you to generate income, on top of your 9 to 5, and you're doing a side hustle on weekends, working for McDonald's to earn another 200 or 300 a week. There's nothing wrong with that. But the part is when you need to find a way to make money work for you. So 5 big ideas that I took from this book. The poor and the middle class work for money. The rich have money work for them. And this is true. You can ask anybody and you can look at it. You can look at Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Dangote. Those people found a way to make money work for them while they're sleeping or while they're on vacation. Second point, it's not how much money you make that matter. It's how much money you keep. That's very true. It's how much money you keep. If they pay you $100 and you spend $99 and you only keep $1, how are you going to be able to build wealth? You have to find a way to cut your expenses or have people pay for your expenses while you're saving. That's the key. Have a way to save your money 20%, 30%, 50%, or 99%. Who knows? Depends on how you live. Third point, rich people acquires asset. The poor and the middle class acquire liability that they think are asset. So you think that the Tesla is an asset? Absolutely not. It's a big liability. It's a depreciation because that car does not bring money into my pocket. It's me paying, the car, and that money goes out of my pocket into somebody else's pocket. But if I buy this car and turn it into a taxi or an Uber or a Lyft, that becomes now an asset. Because as I'm driving this car, the car is also generating income for me. But at the end of the day, it's still not resolving the problem of finding a way to have money work for you while you're sleeping, because I will have to be physically driving this car to be able to generate money. And our goal is to be able to generate money while we're sleeping. The fourth point I would like to talk about this book is financial aptitude is what you do with money once you make it. How you keep people from taking it from you, how you keep it longer, and how you make money work hard for you. Yes, money needs to work hard for you. Money does not have any brain. Yes, money does not think. My money does not think. That's what $100. Yeah, money does not think, does not have no brain. Like, can money talk to you? Like, hello, can money do anything? No. You control, you dictate what that money will do. If that money will do something good or will do something bad. Money has no brain. And you have to find a way to have this money work for you. And that's when comes investing in real estate, starting your business, sharing knowledge with people who need it, And that's what money can do for you. And the fifth and last point I would like to talk about is the single most powerful asset we have is our mind. Don't think that I need to wear like a Gucci shirt, a Prada shirt, take my worth. Me driving my Tesla doesn't dictate that I'm super rich or super wealthy. No, it's what is inside my brain. That's what wealth is all about. I know some people who wearing like Prada, Gucci, but ask them to open the bank account. Just please ask them to open the bank account. That's the sad part. Putting a show, it's not gonna get you anywhere. It's taking action. And by taking action, it's educating yourself. Reading books. One of that book is Rich Dad, Poor Dad. reading and reading and reading. I didn't read that book one time. I read it multiple times to be able to digest the information I got and be able to apply that into a real life. That real life helped me acquire this Tesla, being disciplined, investing in books, knowledge, and applying them. So that's the key message of the day today.